Let us differentiate y is equal to 7 ln 2x plus 1 cos x. So what we do firstly is we note that this is a product. So we are going to use the product rule. And the product rule states that the derivative of uv is equal to v du dx plus u dv dx. Having done so, let us look at our question and assign u and v. So we are going to let u be equal to 7 ln of 2x plus 1. And we are also going to let v be equal to cos x. So 7 ln of 2x plus 1 is multiplying cos x. Now we need to determine what is du dx. And du dx is equal to, you should remember that if we have a situation where y is equal to ln x, dy dx will be equal to 1 over x multiplying the inner derivative, which is 1. So the derivative of ln x will be equal to 1 over x. Using the same principles, du dx is equal to 7 multiplying 1 over 2x plus 1, the inner function, multiplying the inner derivative, which is the derivative of 2x plus 1, which is 2. So du dx is equal to 7 times 1 times 2, it's 14 over 2x plus 1. What then is dv du? So dv du, we should also remember that the logarithms, that the derivatives of trigonometrical functions, cos x in this case, are predetermined. And let us just run down a few examples. So this is the trig, and this will be the derivative. The derivative of sine x, it's cos x. The derivative of cos x, it's minus sine x. And the derivative of tan x, it's sec squared x. So we can leave it here. What then is the derivative of v when v is cos x? The derivative of cos x, as stated here, it's minus sine x. So we are just going to quote the derivative of cos x. We should have used the PTA strategy, where we differentiate firstly with respect to the power, then with respect to the trigonometrical function, and lastly with respect to the algebraic expression. But in this case, we only have cos x. There is no power, there's only the trig, and there is no algebraic expression. So in this case, we just quote the derivative of cos x, which is minus sine x. Having determined what u is, what v is, and now we know what du dx is and what dv du is, we are going to state and substitute. So what is the product rule? Again, the product rule states that the derivative of uv is equal to v du dx plus u dv dx. Now, before we go any further, it's important to note that addition and multiplication, they are what is called isomorphic. And isomorphy, or being called isomorphic, it means they are similar. They are not congruent, but they are similar. The similarity between addition and subtraction is demonstrated here. That since it's the product rule and u is multiplying v, our v du dx is adding our u dv dx. If we had to quote the quotient rule, which is du dx u over v is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. You also note that isomorphy also applies to division and subtraction. In simpler terms, multiplication and addition, they go hand in glove. They are partners in crime. In the same case, division and subtraction, they also go hand in hand or hand in glove. Now, having demonstrated this, let us go to our question. So now it's a question of substitution. What is V? So this is going to be cos x multiplying what is du dx. Du dx is 14 over 2x plus 1. So multiplying 14 over 2x plus 1. Adding what is u? 7 ln of 2x plus 1. It's multiplying minus sine x. So this then is equal to, if we multiply these two, we get 14 cos x over 2x plus 1 plus, then multiplying these two, we also have minus 7 sine x ln of 2x plus 1. And since here we have a plus and a minus, we know that when plus and minus meet and greet, when we have a situation where a positive multiplies a negative, the ultimate answer is a negative. So our final answer in this case will be 14 cos x over 2x plus 1 minus 7 sine x ln of 2x plus 1. Can we in any way further simplify this? We can leave it here. Thank you.